Hello and welcome to another episode of Muddy River Mixology Monday, where each week we introduce a new cocktail using one of our awesome rums. Today we're getting a head start on St. Patty's Day, which is this weekend. So, Caroline, what are we making for St. Patty's Day?
We're gonna do the Muddy River Melon Ball.
Melon Ball, because it's green, right?
Yeah, it's green.
Yeah.
It's a fun St. Patrick's Day drink to do your parties. Pretty easy.
Really good, really easy.
Delicious. Share with all your friends.
Yeah, and it uses our Basil Rum, which is awesome. We're doing this drink at the Riverside Marina, which is just outside of our distillery. It's an excellent marina right on the Catawba River, where you can store your boat, rent a boat, put in a boat for a minimal fee. It's rent this space out here
for your weddings or parties.
Come and take tours before, during, or after on Saturdays. So we're doing it out here because we have outside liquor, which we can't have in the distillery. There's no substitute when you need a green drink. We got to do it where we got to do it. Wish it was a little sunnier out here, but anyway.
A little warmer.
So, how do we make this drink, Caroline? What's step one?
Well, we're gonna start off using our Basil Carolina Rum because it's also green. So
2 ounces of basil.
Feel free to take shots of that if you want for your St. Patrick's Day party too. For
Tom Cruise.
green beverage fun.
All right, 2 ounces of Basil Carolina Rum found in your local liquor store.
1 ounce of Midori. So this is Melon Liqueur. So I'll give it that nice green color too.
Oh, that's green.
What'd you call it? Ecto Cooler?
Looks like
like
an Ecto
slime.
Cooler.
Slimer, what's his name? Slimer.
All right, so we got Midori.
Then
Pineapple
2
juice.
ounces of pineapple. And if you want, you can just do this first part and have it as a shot with no ice, or do it in a shaker, have it as a shot.
This is a good shooter. Yeah, because liquor, and then we put just a splash of soda in this.
Yeah, so you could do this in a shaker over ice if you wanted a cold shot.
Yep. And pour it out for your friends.
Yeah,
do this in a pint glass. We're doing it in a lowball glass today.
Then chop it off with a little club soda. That just evens out the sweetness, gives a little bubble.
Yeah. Well, if you're going to make it as a drink, the soda helps with that. And that is St. Patty's Day. Right there in a glass. Muddy River style. We are Delaney's, so we're Irish.
Yeah, Delaney's.
Yeah.
St. Patrick's
Cool.
Day.
All right, well, that is the Muddy River Melon Ball. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Link to the recipes in the description below with some other links and stuff like that. We do tours every Saturday at 1, 2, and 3 o'clock. Once you come out for a tour, you come back forever for free. So come see us there and look for us in your local liquor store. If you don't see us, ask for us. Cheers.
Cheers.
Happy St. Patty's Day.
All these people are driving by like, what are these weirdos doing in these green shirts?
Get your pill with all these
Muddy
open
River,
containers.
Come on, geese.
No, don't encourage the geese. Freaking nuisance.
Well, I can't believe the geese didn't butt into our video. They didn't make a peep or a honk. Honk, honk. Honk, honk. Fun! Fun, fun!
Get out of here!
It's colder than I thought.
Oh, that's going into
Oh, no! Makes it nice and pretty. Oh, it's colder for March. Actually, I guess that's usually it's cold in March.
Warm up.
Yeah, some of those St. Patrick's Day bar crawls, it's been pretty warm.
All right.
Did I roll up my sleeves, middle school style?
You got a pack of cigarettes you can put in there?
I thought you were going to wear the same green as me or a different shirt.
I didn't. We never talked about this. You can't think things and they happen.
I had it sitting.